In the business report, trading in the shares of a junior market company, Derimon Trading Limited, has been suspended by the Jamaica Stock Exchange after the company failed to submit its 2025 audited financial statements on time. The JSE says the suspension follows junior market rules as the financial statements became 92 days overdue on June 2. Derimon says issues identified during the audit require further review and validation before the financial statements can be finalized. The company's board says it is committed to ensuring shareholders receive complete, reliable, and properly assessed financial information before the audited results are released. Fosrich founder and CEO Cecil Foster has outlined a 5-point turnaround strategy after the company reported a first quarter net loss of $178.8 million for the period ended March 31, 2026, up 170% from $68.6 million a year earlier. Loss per share widened to 4 cents from 1 cent. The recovery plan includes sale and lease back of real estate assets to repay loans and boost cash flow for inventory purchases. Opening of the Malines Superstore by the end of the third quarter to drive revenue and cash generation. Inventory rationalization to reduce stock levels, cut costs and focus on high-performing products. Tighter control of administrative expenses through continued scrutiny of spending. Vertical integration partnerships with property developers to increase demand for Fosrich products and services and drive sales growth. Denise Williams brings us the market updates and more.
For the trading period of June 4, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 22,064,566 units, representing 53.13% of market sales activities. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 5,810,982 units, representing 13.99% of market sales activities. Wigton Energy Limited with 2,333,339 units, representing 5.62% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation, distribution, and solar energy plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for June 4, 2026. Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $156.97 and buying at $158.38. Moderate gains supported the Canadian dollar, which had $6.73 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $116.77 and was bought for $110.04. The British pound had continued volatility, which offered short-term trading opportunities of 65 cents in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $212.30 and was bought for $211.65. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, we recommend that over the next 90 days, every small business owner should embark on a deliberate credit roadshow, a structured effort to build a personal financial ecosystem that can support growth, expansion, innovation, and resilience. So what is a financial ecosystem? Well, it is a network of funding relationships that provides access to different forms of capital throughout the life of a business. Rather than relying on a single bank, entrepreneurs should build connections with commercial banks, credit unions, microfinance institutions, development finance agency, government funding program, angel investors, venture capital firms, private investors, equipment financing companies, trade and supplier credit providers. Each serves a different purpose, and together they create a strong foundation for financial growth. The objective is not to secure a loan tomorrow. The objective is to become known, credible, and finance ready. In our funded and focused feature, business owners know that growth requires capital. The most successful entrepreneurs understand that funding is not a one-time transaction. It is the result of a carefully constructed ecosystem of relationships, credibility, assets, and opportunity that continuously attract capital. Instead of asking, where can I find funding, entrepreneurs should be asking, how can I build a business that funding is naturally attracted to? So we want you to build your system before you need it. Too many owners begin searching for financing when they have already reached crisis point. But by then, lenders are concerned, investors are cautious, and opportunities may have already been lost. So the smartest entrepreneurs build funding relationships long before they need money. They establish banking relationships, they go to investor forums, and they engage with business development organizations to position themselves as credible. Capital tends to flow toward businesses that demonstrate preparation rather than desperation. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.